Okay, so here's our equation right here, like we said beginning in the video. Let's find the vertex, because that is the most easiest thing we can do. So we have -3 and a +1. Find the opposite of -3, so now we have 3, 1. So our vertex is 3, 1. That also explains that x equals 3 is going to be our axis of symmetry. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1. Right there. That's our vertex. And this is our axis of symmetry. Okay, so then let's find the y-intercept. We have to plug in 0 in for x and see what happens when we get for y. So, y-intercept is 0, 2 x minus 3 squared plus 1. 0 minus 3 is -3. So, -3 squared is 9. 2 times 9 is 18 plus 1 is 19. So, 0, 19. You won't always get to graph the y-intercept because it may be off the charts. If you have Desmos open, why don't you try copy it down on the graph and see what happens. We can understand that we have a graph that opens up, and there's going to be a minimum because we have a positive a that's bigger than 0 and is facing upwards. Now here comes the last part, using a table to determine what the points are. So we have an x and y value. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to see if we have -1 in for x and see what happens. So 2, -1 minus 3 squared plus 1. So -4 squared is 16. 2 times 16 is 32 plus 1 is 33. So -1, 33. We are not actually going to be graphing this on a piece of paper because we realize that the points on here are going to actually be off the charts. So we're going to move to Desmos and see what happens. But if it were to fit on the graph, then you would do the steps just like this. You would find 5 points on the graph until you can make a parabola. But for now, let's move on so the video can go a bit faster and see what it looks like. Okay, so here we have the equation on Desmos, and this is what it looks like. We found that the vertex is 3, 1, and the y-intercept is 0, 19. That is way off the charts, because the graphs that we go up here, the highest possible you can graph is 10 as y and 10 as x, and vice versa. But on Desmos, you can have an infinite amount of space to graph wherever you want, because it keeps going. Actually, the parabola on a graph will never, ever stop. And this is what the graph looks like. And we now know how to graph and understand what the vertex form is. I hope this video has helped you. Thank you for watching Topping a Life's Math Industry. Like and subscribe!